Hello everyone, today I'll show you two ways how you can install Python on your Windows computer. The first way is the easier way. You start your Microsoft Store and search for Python, and you will see different versions of Python that you can install. You can click on the version that you need to install, just click on the get button, and you can install it like you will install any other app on your computer. The second way is to use the winget tool. You can search for Python on your computer by tapping winget search install Python, and it will show you all the different versions that you can install. You can see the Anaconda showing up over here, and you can also see that there are different versions of Python that you can directly install, and that is a straightforward way. Alternatively, if you don't want to install Python directly, you can also install the virtual environment, and for that you can just quickly search for Anaconda. It is the environment that provides you virtual environment for Python, and if you'd like me to explain to you that why virtual environments would be a good idea, please do let me know. And when you're ready to install, you can just say winget install Anaconda. So I'm gonna just copy the ID that I have, and I can mention that the source is winget, and this command should install Anaconda on your computer without any issues. Once you have done the installation, you can check the installation is complete by checking the version of conda, and after you see the conda version, you can also check the environment, and by default it will have just one environment for base, and to activate that environment you can issue a command conda activate base, and once you have that activated, you can check Python version, which I have in this case Python 397, and I can also start running Python commands and Python scripts in the Python prompt very quickly. So that's a quick video about how to install Python on your computer, on your Windows computer, without having to fiddle with the path environment or anything that you will see elsewhere on the internet. Ciao.